Radhia, welcome back to another video. My January was kind of chaotic, but bad day or bad month doesn't mean bad life. So anyways, I wanted to show you guys this calendar that I'm part of. It's by Store Over Hate, which is a AAPI organization. One of my illustrations is featured in this calendar. Ta-da! All of the profits go towards scholarship funds, which I thought was really cool. I'm not sure if they're still selling this anymore. I'll try to link it below if they are. Now I guess you guys can watch the rest of this vlog.
Why are you obsessed with nail files? Ew! Hey, no! Can you let me finish my nail, please? Kuni. Kuni! Kuni. You gotta go. Ah! Kuni! I felt your teeth grind against that. That's gross. Look how cute these are. Hello Kitty nail files. You have other plans.
Good afternoon. I am literally chilling in my robe because it is a Saturday. It's January 21st. It's very gloomy outside. I actually have an art show that I'm going to later this evening. My friend Mahua and her partner are in it. I decided to do a little bit of busy work with some of the acrylic charms that recently came in. As you can see, I have a bag of really tiny charms that used to actually be my handmade clay earrings. Here's a sample of the clay earrings that I've been making for I think like the past 2 years. And right next to it you can see the acrylic charm version. I also went ahead and turned my other froggy design into an acrylic charm. And I like that they're small enough to be turned into little earrings. The main reason I did this is because I don't know about you, but sculpting these tiny things, painting them, making sure nothing goes wrong in the entire process is just super duper time consuming. And as much as I love working with clay, I think I want to leave that in an area where I'm allowed to take my time with it and make errors, and it's not like I'm immediately like selling it after it's done. I still admire the charm and the quality of like handmade earrings or specifically clay or ceramic items, but turning these into little acrylic charms is big brain energy, and it allows me to probably sell a lot more pairs because I could not keep up with the demand. It also hurts my brain to paint the same thing over and over. I have a lot of assembly to do. Another charm I decided to design is this adorable double-sided holographic Tamakuni keychain, and this is inspired from like the OG Tamagotchi. This Tamagotchi I've had since like 3rd grade, I think, 2nd grade even, I don't remember, but as you can see, it's pretty much to scale, and it's a play on words between like Tamagotchi and my cat Kuni. And so I have a couple of these coming to the shop. Just want to show you guys this stuff that came in, and I'm gonna get ready in a little bit to go see my friend's art show. Good afternoon. I need to head out very soon. I love how this is just a consistency of like me filming, and I have less than 5 minutes to head out the door. Today is Lunar New Year. I'm actually off to a drawing date right now, and then afterwards I'm going to Annabelle's Lunar New Year board game dinner party. I'm trying to put these earrings on. Hi, Kuni! So I'm South Asian, and in particular Bangladeshi American, and so we do not celebrate Lunar New Year. However, we do have our own New Year. It has a similar vibe. I feel like most of East Asia and Southeast Asia celebrate Lunar New Year around the same day, but Bengalis celebrate a different day. And because I wanted to participate, I'm wearing some red, and I also decided to put on some of my own cultural jewelry. It's like a little crossover. It's also giving Valentine's Day because I don't have a lot of red, but I also want to wear pink. I should leave now. Goodbye. the last day of January. It's January 31st. Kuni is digging through the coffee table for some treats. Kuni, I literally gave you treats like 10 minutes ago. Look at him. He is lying. He is lying on camera. It is January 31st, so it is officially the last day of the month. I'm not gonna lie, I've had a pretty stressful month. I feel like everyone's like, January reset, and here I am like, January, I wanna pull my hairs out. On the bright side, I started a new journal, writing about your feelings, am I right? I have a stack of tote bags here and another box of stuff that I'm going to drop off at From Here to Sunday. You can find some of the things that I sell IRL locally here in New York City and in a couple of other states. My last task for today is to send out the remaining Sticker Club rewards. It is the physical tier that I added on Patreon starting this month. There's a couple of patrons that just pour in throughout the rest of the month, and so that will be the final batch. I did originally plan to design February's sticker like within the last week of January just so I could share it ahead of time and also order it, but that did not happen. It's totally fine. I'm just going to end up designing it within the first week of February. Speaking of February, I signed on to a secret client project. The project is launching in March. That's all I can tell you legally. Kuni is progressively pawing at the jar of treats. This is the face of a liar. I fed him treats like 10 minutes ago. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Please give this video a like, leave a cheeky little comment. I always read your comments. Even if I don't respond, I read through every single one of them. Even the stinky ones that I just end up banishing into the void. So consider subscribing to this channel if you enjoy studio vlogs or just casually browsing my life throughout New York City as an illustrator. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye!